Hi there! Today we are going to learn the long vowel sounds. But before we do that, we are going to review the short vowel sounds that you already know. A, apple. E, egg. I, igloo. O, octopus. U, umbrella. Now we are going to learn the long vowel sounds. These are easy to learn because long vowel sounds just say their name. So A makes the sound A, like in the word cake. E makes the sound E, like in the word bee. I makes the sound I, like in the word bike. O makes the sound O, like in the word home. And U makes the sound U, like in the word cube. Awesome job! Thanks so much for learning your vowel sounds with me at Kickstart Reading.